Hi, good day to all. Hope all are well by grace of God. Dear children, last two sections onwards, we are discussing regarding question tags, and we have done a lot of exercises. We can do some more exercises today. Okay, so we know the basics like positive sentence have negative tag and negative sentence have positive tags. Okay, in which way we need to write the tag? We need to rewrite the statements and put a comma and choose the auxiliary from the sentence and check it is positive or negative the sentence, and if it is positive the tag must be negative, and if it is negative the tag must be positive. Then after auxiliary verb we need to write the subject, after put a question mark. Okay, I hope you understood all these things regarding question tags. Now let's practice some more examples again. Okay, my dear children, let's check another example like she has a white car. She has a white car. What will be the tag? We know that obviously the auxiliary verb has there, so it's a positive statement, so we need to add not with the auxiliary verb and subject question mark. So she has a white car. Hasn't she be the tag. They have a good couch. What will be the question tag? They have a good couch. Haven't they? Okay. Let's check another example. They have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. They have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. What will be the tag there? Haven't they? Isn't? No, never. My dear children, when we see the words have, had in this sentence and give the meaning like eating or drinking, we should write don't and or didn't in the tag. Okay? When we see these words have or had in this sentence and giving the meaning of eating or drinking, okay, we should write don't or didn't in the tag. So, they have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. What will be the tag? They have breakfast. So, we need to write don't they. They have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. So, we can't write haven't they. Instead, we should write don't they, because they have. Have here meaning they ate breakfast. Okay, you got it, my dear children? They had lunch at 1 p.m. Another example. They had lunch at 1 p.m. Here already ate lunch. Okay. So the tag must be, what will we write? When we see the words giving meaning like eating or drinking, what will be the tag? We need to write don't or didn't. So they had lunch at 1 p.m. They already ate that. Okay. So the tag must be didn't they. They had lunch at 1 p.m. So the tag is didn't they. Next, let's check question tags in imperative sentence. My dear children, I hope you know what is meant by imperative sentence. We have already learned what is meant by sentence and its categories. Sentence is a group of words that provides a complete sense, and its categories: first one, assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Here, imperative sentence. What is meant by imperative sentence? Sentence which is just like commands or requests, or order or request. prayers, etc. are imperative sentences. So when we got this type of sentence for doing tag, we must write will you. Okay? Will you. When we get imperative sentence for writing tag as tag questions, we need to write will you in the tag. Will you in the tag. Okay, don't forget that. If it shows, that is, if the sentence shows emergency or urgency, need to write warn you. Warn you means will not. Want means will not. We will not write in a will not there. No, we will not write. So, we will write want instead of will not. Okay, you got it? Let's see the examples. Close the wallet. What a type of sentence? It's an order. It's a command, right? Imperative sentence. So, what is the rule? We got an imperative sentence. We should write will you in the tag. Close the wallet. It's an order, right? It's an order. So, the tag must be will you. Close the wallet, comma, we need to write will you and a question mark at the end. Another example, please give me a pen. Always we are using this example. Please give me a pen. It's a request, right? So again, the tag must be will you. Pass me the tea. Pass me the tea. Again, we should write will you in the tag. Get out of the room. Soon. Get out of the room. Get out of the room. Soon. What a type of sentence? It shows an urgency. Am I right? So the tag will be warn you. We have learned that if the sentence shows urgency, we need to write warn you. Will not is warn. We will not write will not. Instead, we will use warned. WON''T. Then catch her soon. What a type of sentence? It also shows urgency there. So we need to write warn you in the tag. One thing you must notice, my dear children, I hope you know that everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, none are singular subjects. Am I right? Everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, none are singular subjects. So, we must use singular verb with them. Okay. But in question tag, these singular subjects become personal pronoun they. Okay. In question tag, we need to change this singular subject to personal pronoun they. We need to write they are. So must use plural verb with the subject they. Okay. For example, somebody is singing. Somebody is singing. We know that somebody, the subject is a singular one, and somebody is singing is the singular verb there. So what will be the question tag? We know that when somebody came as subject, we should write they in the tag. So we need to use the plural verb with that subject. Somebody is singing. What will be the question tag? Aren't they? So we know that they is a plural subject. So we need to use plural verb with that. Are. Okay. Somebody is singing. So in the tag we need to write aren't they. Again, none is there. None is there. Just like somebody, none is there. Are they? Again, are they? No one is there. Are they? Again, Everyone does the work perfectly. What will be the tag? Don't they? Everyone does work perfectly. What will be the tag? Don't they? My dear children, I hope you understood. Then we can go for another example. Let's learn together. Let's means let us. Let's learn together. Dear children, you know what will be the tag? When a sentence starts with letters, let's, the tag must be shall we. Bear in mind always when a sentence starts with letters, the tag must be shall we. Let's take one example. Let's dance together. We know that the rule, when a sentence starts with let's, we need to write shall we in the tag. It's very simple. Let's, when we see let's, we need to write shall we in the tag. Let's dance together. Obviously, the tag shall we. Okay, my dear children? Again, let's write this. What will be the tag? Obviously, shall we. We know that when we see let's in a sentence, we need to write shall we in the tag. Like this, let me, let him, let her, let them. The tag should be like shall I. We need to write in the tag like shall I, shall he, shall she, shall they. So my dear children, when we see let me, let him, let her, let them, we need to write in the tag like shall I, shall he, shall she, shall they, like, okay? For example, let me try this. Let me. The sentence starts with let me. So, what is the rule? When let me comes, we need to write shall I. When let me see in the sentence, we need to write shall I. Let me. We need to write the tag as shall I. Don't forget. Let me, shall I. Then let her go there. Let her. Here comes let her. So obviously the tag must be shall she. Don't forget that. Let her. If let her comes in a sentence, we need to write shall she in the tag. Again, let him go there. Obviously, we need to write shall he in the tag. Again, let them try it. What we will write? Shall they? It's a simple thing. Shall they? Let's take another example, my dear children. I am a singer. What will you write? I am a singer. As per the rule, we need to take the auxiliary verb am, and because of this sentence is positive, we need to add not with the auxiliary verb, no? Isn't it? But never do so. If the sentence start with I am, the tag must be start with aren't I. Okay, we will not write amn't. It's a wrong. Instead, we use aren't I. So, the sentence I am a singer, we need to write aren't I. If the sentence start with I am not, the tag must be am I. Okay, am I, not are I, am I. For example, the same example we can use I am not a singer. We need to write am I again. I am a dancer. What will you do? I am a dancer. Aren't I? I'm not a dancer. We need to write am I. So my dear children, today we practice several examples. When we see have had in a sentence, we need to write don't or didn't according to the subject. Okay, according to the tense, we need to write don't or didn't in the tag. Okay. If the sentence is imperative, like it starts with order or request, we should write will you in the tag. Don't forget that. If it shows any urgency, we should write warn you. Warn you. Then what we discuss. Then let's, okay, if the sentence start with let's, we must write shall we in the tag. Again, the sentence start with let me. The tag, we should write in the tag shall I. Again, let him. If we see let him in the sentence, we need to write shall he in the tag. If we see let her in the sentence, we need to write shall she in the tag. Again, let them, we need to write shall they in the tag. Then what happened? What will we do when I am? When we see I am, we see I am in this sentence, we need to write are in the tag. When we see I am not, we need to write am I in the tag. Okay, my dear children. I hope you understood the tag and its examples. So, winding up this section. Catch you soon. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.